it's so weird because you're watching him do it and then that's doing it. Yeah. That's such a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea. I know exactly what.
Can I do one? Yeah, that's a bad idea. But can I do one anyways? Me doing one, but I still want to do it.
Can you see it, Sam?
Yeah. Do you need a bigger piece of wood to try?
Yeah, nice hair. Get rid of my. I'll give him a couple more.
I think we're good, dude.
Uh-oh. That red part is on there.
That's fine. The flare's on fire.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Pretty neat.
Do it again.
Start again.
That's cool.
Fucking
Just
amazing.
as long as you don't crack.